This is going to be a quick video on an easy job that you can do to ensure your house or your yard doesn't flood next time it rains. Thanks for joining me in another inspired DIY video. I'm Kent. Today I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how to open up these strip drains. So we've got one of these strip drains just halfway along the driveway. Over the year it fills up with palm seeds, vegetation. It's actually really good compost if you want to keep it, if you're a gardener and you're into that. But right now I'm going to show you how to take the covers off these strip drains. It's a pretty simple task. Most of the time, get yourself like a flat tool, a couple of screwdrivers. Just zoom in here, Ruby. You can see how there's a couple of little notches along these grates. You actually just get your screwdriver in there and you can lever them up. They pop out pretty easily. There's a couple of different types of drain grate. It's hard to say. There's a couple of different types of drain grate covers. Sorry, that was a real tongue twister. I've noticed there's 3 different kinds of strip drain covers. Some are just a friction fit like these that pop out with a screwdriver. Some have screws. Great. The other type that looks like it's screwed in is an ACO drain. Now that's actually just a locating pin that's held in there by friction. That can be levered up with a screwdriver and popped out just the same way as these ones. That one came out easily. So I've decided to do this with gloves on, just so I don't get the dirt under my nails. It's pretty gross. Some of this stuff is really good compost. All that decomposed vegetation at the bottom, really good for pot plants. Or just throw it in the nearby garden. But if you're a gardener, this would be really good in your veggie patch. Oh, there's a good one, look at that. Once you've got majority of the dirt and leaves out of the drain, just clear these little channel lips here so that when it comes time to put your grate back on, they'll sit down nicely in there. If you notice that your drain is still slow flowing after you've cleaned it, you might have a blockage further down in your stormwater line. You can either try and plunge it, or you might need to enlist the help of a plumber who has an electric eel or a plumber's snake, and they can investigate and unblock the drain for you. This isn't a very exciting job, but it needed to be done. Hopefully this video helps you out with your project. We'll see you on the next one.